Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome back to another video about Cardano Ada. So guys, after a long time, Cardano starts moving upward in the market, and absolutely, and annoyed is Cardano is the fastest moving crypto in the market, and a lot of people are want to invest in a Cardano Ada, but unfortunately, now at the latest situation, if you took the last 1 hour, last 60-minute update after Cardano, so they are gone wrong. You can see here guys that 2.52 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Cardano in the market. And furthermore, other side, if you talk about the changes occurring in the Cardano, so the previous changes of the Cardano is completely positive, but unfortunately you can see here, let me show you the last 1 hour update of the Cardano, negative 0.45%. Price changes is negative, so this means that is a loss of the Cardano. But guys, don't believe that, don't take it serious. That is just temporary changes, guys. And other side, you can see here Cardano price very fastly increasing in the market. Approximately, you can see here, let me show you now here, look at the price chart now. On the 4 August, the price of Cardano is about to 1.32 USD dollar. And now you can see here, that is the current Cardano price. Look here guys, look here is the price of Cardano. Now it is time the price of Cardano, you can see here. And now just look here, the latest situation price here, 2 USD dollar, 1.38 USD dollar on the price of Cardano on the 4 August. And now the latest situation today, price of Cardano is 2.52 USD dollar, approximately a 1.58 cent changes occur in the Cardano just in 20 days. People are getting unbelievable profit from a Cardano right there. So guys, wake up in the market, it's time to make a profit. And now guys, a lot of people ask me question that please talk about the future of Cardano. So I also told you in my many videos that Cardano is the future digital gold, and the huge pump is coming soon. That is just the beginning, guys. That is just the beginning. The huge pump is coming soon, so stay connected for more updates, videos with the ABS Tech channel. Subscribe now and also press the bell icon for new videos notification.